Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is dry fruits barfi or Khajur barfi. These dry fruit barfis are excellent dessert. It is a healthy, sugar-free, jaggary-free dessert and also easy to make. These dry fruits are loaded with element boron and hence they not only help to boost the memory but also gives instant energy. You can give these burfis to your kids once they are back from school, or also you can pack them in the lunch boxes. So let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup of pitted dates from which the seeds have been removed. Tear it into half, put them in the mixer jar and blend it into a coarse paste. Next, take a heavy bottom pan and add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and dry roast them well. Once done, keep aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Dry roast it well and keep aside. Add 1 teaspoon ghee to the pan. Next, add 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, 1/4 cup of chopped cashews, 2 tablespoons of pistachios, 1/4 cup of dried raisins. Dry roast them until crunchy and golden brown in color. Next, add coarsely ground khajur paste. Mix well. Saute it on low flame for a couple of minutes. Switch off the flame and transfer it onto a plate. Cool them for around 5 minutes. And next, you either can make laddus out of them or you can shape it into barfi. It's up to you. If you want to make laddus, then take a handful of mixture into your hand, roll it using your fingers, and laddu is ready. If you want to shape them as barfi, then turn this mixture into a log, roll it using your hands. Once you get a desired log, place it on aluminum foil and add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of pistachios, and desiccated dry coconut 1 teaspoon. Roll it using your fingers as shown in the video. Seal the edges. Place this in the refrigerator for 2 hours until it sets well. Once done, cut the barfi using knife. I am making 1/2 inch barfi. You can cut them in any desired shape or thickness according to your choice. It stays good for 4 to 5 months in refrigerator or 3 to 4 weeks in the room temperature, or you can also store for months in the freezer. Make these dry fruit barfis and let me know if you like it, and give your family something healthy to crunch on. Thanks for watching.